Do you remember how hard it was in school trying to keep up with what the teacher said? Was it anything like this scenario?
Now I want to step by the final step of malate to oxyl acetate. Wrings out the last bit of energy as NADH in the original glucose. The oxyl acetate can finally bond with another acetylcholine, and the whole process starts all over again. And that's the Krebs cycle. You got that?
You got that. Introducing the Pulse Smart Pen from LiveScribe. It records everything you hear and links it to what you write. So you never miss a word.
Jacksonville High School desires to increase the English STAR essay results for students of grades 9 through 12 by supplementing its current assistive technology department with LiveScribe Smart Pens for students with other health impairments and reading-writing disabilities to enhance the information retention necessary for students to prepare for the English 1 and 2 STAR. Because the need for a device to assist students with memory and note-taking skills will accommodate their learning in a way that is appealing and accessible to student writers of all grade levels. Currently, about 45% of the students at JHS fail to pass their EOC STAR English exam on the first attempt. Many of these students succeed in their classes and maintain passing grades, but their STAR scores do not accurately reflect their knowledge. Providing LiveScribe Smart Pens to students with OHI and learning disabilities will help with student note-taking skills, memory retention, and writing skills. This Smart Pen will be imperative in improving student test scores on the STAR. Through training with their special education teacher or technology coordinator and practice with the technology, students will become more comfortable completing classroom work. With this grant, Jacksonville High School wishes to provide 5 Smart Pens and notebooks with LiveScribe paper at $108.90 each, or $544.50 total, to 5 students with OHI and learning disabilities who have not been able to pass their STAR and who show significant need for the device. They will be given to 9th grade students who will use them until they graduate. Victoria Watts will be the acting project manager for this grant. The assistive technology coordinator and the special education teacher on campus will use the LiveScribe Smart Pens to work with students with disabilities to improve their STAR scores. The teacher and coordinator will spend time during a student's elective class going over the initial setup, basic use, and practical uses of the Smart Pen. This initial visit should take place in August or September and no later than the last day of September. Students should be comfortable using the Smart Pen by the time benchmarks take place in November. Here are some student testimonials from Wichita Collegiate School in Sedgwick County, Kansas.
It's the teacher talking to you, walking through it. It's a translator, it's a calculator. It's basically everything you need for a school day and to do homework at home without your teacher there.
If the teacher isn't the one that's providing the pencast for them, the way my students have been doing it, not only for my class but other classes, they'll take the notes while the teacher's talking. The students could take copious notes if they want and try to scramble and write down as much as they can, but they also have that confidence that if they didn't quite get that last word, they can still keep moving on because the pen will have caught the audio.
I use my LiveScribe pen in my chemistry classes and history. I use it to take notes and review for tests and things that I need to memorize. It's really useful for studying.
In just 4 years of using the LiveScribe Smart Pen, we hope to see a 75% increase in English STAR test scores on the essay portion of the STAR test. The LiveScribe Smart Pen will prove to be a beneficial tool for high school students with other health impairments related to reading and writing ability. After 4 years with this technology, JHS hopes to see a significant improvement in STAR test scores and in the number of students who are college ready.